Lobster. All the advantages of lobster and the best ways to prepare it for a meal. Lobster is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. High in vitamins and minerals. Lobster contains various essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Omega-3 fatty acids. Lobster is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Lobster is rich in selenium, a trace mineral that acts as an antioxidant and plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and protecting against oxidative stress. Now, let's explore some ways to make a proper meal using lobster. Steaming lobster is a classic method that preserves the natural flavors and textures of the meat. Simply place the live lobster in a steamer basket over boiling water and steam until the shell turns bright red. Grilling lobster adds a smoky flavor and enhances the sweetness of the meat. Split the lobster in half, brush with butter or olive oil, and grill over medium heat until cooked through. Lobster bisque is a creamy and flavorful soup made with lobster meat, broth, cream, and spices. It's a perfect way to enjoy the rich taste of lobster in a comforting dish. Lobster rolls are a popular and delicious option. Mix cooked lobster meat with mayonnaise, celery, lemon juice, and seasonings. Serve the mixture in a buttered, toasted roll for a satisfying sandwich. Incorporate lobster into a pasta dish for a luxurious meal. Cook pasta al dente and toss it with sautéed garlic, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, and chunks of cooked lobster meat. Finish with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Create a refreshing lobster salad by combining cooked lobster meat with crisp lettuce, cherry tomatoes, avocado, cucumbers, and your favorite dressing. It's a light and flavorful option for warmer days. Remember to handle and cook lobster safely, following proper procedures to ensure food safety. Additionally, consider local regulations and sustainability practices when purchasing and enjoying lobster.
Here at Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.
Unlock the incredible benefits of star anise and learn how to incorporate it into your daily diet. From adding flavor to boosting digestion, star anise is a versatile spice that can enhance your culinary experience. Explore our tips and recipes to make the most of this amazing ingredient today. Are you looking for a simple and nutritious way to enhance your daily meals? Then look no further than the amazing star anise. Star anise is a unique spice that not only adds flavor but also offers numerous health benefits. One of the key benefits of star anise is its ability to aid digestion. With its natural compounds, star anise can help relieve common digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. It can also promote healthy digestion and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in your gut. In addition to aiding digestion, star anise is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in your body and support your immune system. If you're struggling with respiratory issues, star anise can provide relief. Its essential oils can help soothe coughs, colds, and even asthma symptoms. But how can you easily include star anise in your daily diet? You can start by adding it to your favorite warm beverages, like tea or coffee. Or you can use it as a flavorful addition to soups, stews, and broths. For a unique twist, you can also crush star anise and use it in marinades for meat, poultry, or tofu. If you enjoy baking, star anise can be the perfect complement to sweet treats like cookies and cakes. To make the most of its benefits, it's advisable to use star anise in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. So, next time you're cooking or preparing a meal, remember to unlock the amazing benefits of star anise and enjoy its delicious flavor. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for taking the time to watch.
In recent years, the Mediterranean diet has gained widespread attention, not only as a model of healthy eating, but also as a seemingly effortless method for weight loss. With its colorful plates of fresh vegetables, heart-healthy olive oil, lean proteins, and moderate portions of wine and bread, the diet appears to offer a relaxed, indulgent path to slimming down. Countless health magazines, influencers, and dietitians have painted it as the gold standard for both wellness and weight control. However, the reality is far more nuanced. The question remains, is the Mediterranean diet truly an easy fix for weight loss? Or is this a comforting illusion rooted in selective understanding and marketing?